And ever lay in bed at 2 a.m., replaying that one text you sent, wondering if it sounded weird? Or maybe you're stressing about a meeting you have next week and you haven't even walked in the door yet? Yeah, and if this sounds like you, welcome to the Overthinking Club. Population, your brain. Here's the thing. Overthinking isn't laziness. And it's definitely not just you being dramatic. Your brain is literally trying to keep you safe. It's wired to predict danger, replay mistakes, and plan ahead. That's called survival mode. But somewhere along the way, your brain got a little too creative. Think about the last time you sent a text and then, boom, you start analyzing every word. Was that funny? Did I sound weird? Maybe they're ignoring me? Suddenly, your one text turned into a full-blown mental movie, starring you, the villain, and all your insecurities. So why does this happen? The brain doesn't really know the difference between real danger and imagined danger. Back in the day, overthinking could save your life. Like, is that a lion behind the bush? But today, it's like your brain is still running simulation, but the danger's just texting the wrong emoji. And the worst part, your brain loves to create what-if scenarios, like, what if they hate my favorite color? What if I trip while walking? What if I never stop overthinking? Quick check. Have you ever spent 20 minutes thinking about something that literally doesn't matter? Raise your hand, or in our case, nod with your stick figure head. Okay, don't worry. I'm not here to give serious therapy, but here's a small trick. Notice when you're overthinking. That's step 1. Step 2, take a break. Step 3, laugh at yourself. Maybe literally imagine your brain as a tiny stick figure running around panicking. Seriously, it works. Sometimes distraction, humor, or even a short walk is all you need to reset your overthinking brain. Imagine this. You're overthinking a text. Your brain runs a 5-season mental series. Meanwhile, your friend already forgot about it, and your coffee went cold. Classic. But hey, overthinking means you care, you're human. It just means your brain needs a vacation. So, next time your brain won't stop spinning, remember, it's just doing its job badly. Overthinking is normal. We all do it. Just don't let it run the show. If this video made you smile, nod, or think, yep, that's me, do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe. That way, your brain gets a little break too, and you won't miss more fun psychology stories like this one.